you don't want to get disturbed by your Garmin Tactix or Garmin Fenix watch, press and hold the menu button, and then press it again to go at the very bottom of this page and go into System. Then go down to Do Not Disturb. From here you can enable or disable the feature, or you can also get an auto Do Not Disturb while your sleep time frame. So you can enable or disable it. If you want to change that time, you will need to go on the Garmin Connect application. You will hit the watch at the very bottom, at the very top of the app, and then you will go down to User Settings, and you will find your normal bedtime to normal wake time. Finally, if you want to have a shortcut to that Do Not Disturb status, you can come back to the main page, and when you hold that button, you will reach the control page. From here, you have quick access to some features, and if you press and hold the button just right here, you can add control and find the Do Not Disturb one. So once you had it, you just press and hold that button and go to Do Not Disturb. You can enable it or disable it. So this is it. Thank you for watching. I hope it helps. If yes, please smash the like button. If you are planning to buy this watch, you can see my link in the description. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can find me back easily next time you need help. If you want to see my other tutorial about this watch, you can see my playlist just right here, and you can also find me on my main channel just right there. Thank you for watching, take care, and see ya.